Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming required tools, Android Studio and a compatible JDK. Once installed, open Android Studio and choose New Project, pick Empty Activity and make sure Java is selected as the language. Enter a clear package name and pick a minimum SDK that matches your target devices so your app runs where you expect. After you set the project location, click Finish and let Gradle sync. This downloads dependencies and configures the project structure so you can code immediately. Now you design the interface in Activity Main. XML using the design view for drag and drop, or edit the XML for precision. Make sure each interactive view has an ID. Once done, open Main Activity. Java and in on Create, call Set Content View, then bind views with Find View by ID. Implement event listeners for buttons and move reusable logic into private methods to keep on Create readable. This separation improves maintainability and lets you test parts independently while Gradle builds run in the background. To finish, run the app on an emulator or a connected device. Choose a virtual device in AVD Manager or enable USB debugging on your phone and run. Watch Logcat for runtime errors and stack traces so you can pinpoint crashes or layout issues. Fix null pointer exception by ensuring views are initialized and validate resource names for typos. If the app fails to build, clean and rebuild the project, then update manifest permissions or Gradle dependencies as required. Tip: if installation fails, uninstall old debug builds and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.